right, so replacing the hood hinges. These were 12s right here. These are all 10s. There's a 10 in here, right there for the fender. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, took the old ones off. They were 12s. You got to pull the fender. And you got two 12s, and then these two are 10s up here. So now we're gonna put the hood back on, and then we're gonna line it up and then tighten everything down. All right, so after lining it up, you gotta tighten these, and then tighten those. And then we're gonna shut the hood, make sure it shuts. And then we're gonna put all the bolts back in the fenders, back in the door here. Two mountain bracket right here. These were 12s, these were 10s. And then that'll do it.